Welcome back to this week's You Ask, We Tell, where we are taking on the most frequently asked questions that we hear daily and providing you with the answers. So this week's question, staying true to the EMR archival trend, is how much does Chartviewer cost, our EMR archival solution? It is extremely frustrating to be searching for a product or a service, putting in the time, researching, looking for all these different variables, and then not being able to find a simple price tag. So we're going to quickly run through the different variables that can affect the cost of Chartviewer and then go over the actual baseline prices. So the factors that are actually going to go into the price are the size of your healthcare organization, the number of physicians, the number of mid-level practitioners, the legacy EMR version, and the storage requirements if it is hosted. So how is it delivered? There's on-premise or cloud-based version. Those are the two versions of Chartviewer and how they're deployed, on-prem or cloud-based. You can either purchase a software where it is deployed and operated at your healthcare facility on-premise, or you can choose a cloud-hosted deployment in our secure and compliant data center. So those are the two ways that is actually delivered, and here is the actual cost associated. If you go with on-premise version of Chartviewer at your site, the database license fee is $11,995. The physician license fee is $1,195, and the mid-level license fee is $597.50. So those are the costs associated with on-premise. When it comes to cloud-hosted version of Chartviewer, there's a database license fee, but it is only one time, and that's $4,995. There's a physician license fee, which is monthly per physician, and it's $159. And then there's a mid-level license fee, which is monthly as well per mid-level, and that's $79.50. So Chartview was created as a product as opposed to a service to provide a transparent and consistent pricing options for customers. It just depends on how you actually want it delivered that can affect different ways that it's priced, or essentially the scope and the size of the organization you're a part of is really determines the price. But those are the baseline costs. So there it is, one of the most hidden things that you can't find when you're looking for a service or a product. The actual price. One of the most important decisions that you have to make when you're making a purchase is, does this price match our budget? So here it is laid out in the open for you, Chartviewer's pricing, whether it's on-premise or cloud hosted. So another question answered, and look next week for another EMR archival question that will be answered for you. We look forward to seeing you then.